Hi, it's Courtney Sullivan from Humble Hill Farm. Just harvesting some potatoes here for our CSA share. We're running a little low unexpectedly. We've been really enjoying the new potatoes and eating a whole lot of them. So I just had to come out here and dig some more of them up. It's a pretty low-tech operation here. We just grow right in the earth like this. Just dig them out. And this is our handy little tool, the Copra. You just pull out plants. Sometimes you get lucky, they all show up. But most of the time, you gotta loosen the soil. Find them. Some yield is better than others. We'll see you next time in the fields of sustainable agriculture.